Alright, so y'all can see this switch right here is broke. For the windows, it's the master switch on the driver's side. This is a Jeep Cherokee. So I'm gonna pop this out real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how we do this. With this tool right here, you don't want to scratch up the customer surface right there. Get up under there, pop it up like that. Once you get that one piece up under there and you pop it that one time, it's pretty much just gonna come on out. See here? We gotta get this out right here. So we're just gonna squeeze it. There we go. Just like that. Here's the new one. You can see the new one. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Make sure everything looks the same. Everything looks the same. Connector is the same. Run it in. Make sure it's facing right. Now look. Just slide it down in there. We're gonna put the front in first. Same way it came out. Just like that. Oh, hold on. Let's see. There we go. Straight like that. Ooh, that window working, baby.